In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Far Cry 5 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game. Now go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over here, and quickly search up the game Far Cry. Then select the game, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game on Steam is quite expensive, €59.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games legally online. For the next step we need to open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this webpage, and here we are going to search for the same game, Far Cry 5. Search for the game, then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now we need to scroll a little bit down till we will find a PC version which can be activated in our country. As you can see, we have a PC version over here for the Steam platform which can be activated in our country, so make sure the text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Once you have found one, then select it, and after that open the game page. As you can see, we can now already download this game for just €6.01 compared to the Steam price of €59.99. That is a very big discount. So if you would like to purchase this game legally online, then download it through this website. So what you need to do is purchase this game, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!